Introducing the AquaMiracle Aquarium filter, perfect for tanks between 10 to 40 gallons. This powerful filter is designed to tackle green water and keep your aquarium crystal clear. With a powerful 3.5 valve motor and a maximum flow rate of 130 graph, the AquaMiracle filter not only purifies but also enhances oxygenation and circulation in your tank. The pre-filter sponge included knocks out impurities like uneaten food and fish waste, ensuring your filter works efficiently. Equipped with a 5-wafer light and a timer feature, you can set your light to work for 3, 6, 12, or 24 hours, keeping your aquarium water sparkling clean. Safety is a priority. This fully submersible filter has an epoxy-sealed motor and a fully sealed UV light, ensuring protection for your fish. With a light indicator to monitor performance, the AquaMiracle filter makes it easy to keep your aquarium's water quality at its best. Join the 19 happy customers who rated this product 4.6 stars. Transform your tank into a pristine aquatic haven. If you're impressed with the AquaMiracle filter, check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more great product reviews.